Hey, so if you're new to Shopify or even just new to themes in general, this question totally makes sense. What's the difference between the free Dawn theme and Dawn Pro? And how do you know which one actually makes sense for you? Well, let's walk it through slowly and in plain language. All right, so first of all, the free Dawn theme is solid, absolutely solid. Shopify built it to be fast, clean, and ease of use, especially for beginners like you. If you're totally starting out, Dawn does a great job helping you put products online, make your store look professional, and start taking orders without overwhelming you. Dawn works best when your store is simple. A few products, straightforward pricing, and no complicated offers. Just literally customer browsing, add to cart, and checkout. And for a lot of people, that is enough. There's nothing wrong with that and nothing wrong with Dawn at all. But as your store grows, you grow, and you might start thinking questions like, I wish I could suggest other products here, or I want to sell a bundle instead of just one item. Or even, I want to explain my product better without making the page feel messy. Well, that's where the free Dawn theme starts to feel a little limited. Not broken, just simple by design. So Dawn Pro is basically Dawn. It is actually Dawn, but with more built-in tools. It's super clean, it's super fast, but it adds features that a lot of store owners end up needing sooner or later without forcing you to rely on a bunch of extra unneeded apps. So let's start on the homepage. On the homepage, free Dawn mostly focuses on showing products. Dawn Pro helps you guide people a bit more. You can label products as new or on sale, highlight bestsellers, show testimonials from real customers, or even short videos that people can shop from. And all of this helps visitors understand what's popular, show trust, and what they should look at first instead of just products. All right, so let's look at the product pages. The product pages are really important, and especially for beginners. With the free Dawn theme, the product page is clean and simple, which is great, but it doesn't give you many ways to explain things. But with Dawn Pro, you get extra tools built in. Things like the collapsible section for shipping information, materials, FAQs, a sticky add to cart button so people don't have to scroll back up. All these little tiny conversion features and small product suggestions that make sense with what someone is already looking at. This helps customers feel more confident without making the page feel cluttered. And confidence is a really big part of getting someone to actually buy. When people hear upsells, it can sound intimidating, but really upsells are just helpful suggestions, like matching them a recommended accessory or something that naturally goes with what's already in the cart. In the free Dawn theme, this usually means installing extra apps. But in Dawn Pro, many of these suggestions are already built in, which makes the store easier to manage and usually really faster when it's native to the theme. The bundle builder is one of the biggest differences, and it's simpler than it sounds. A bundle just means selling multiple products together. Think starter kits, matching sets, or buy these together and save offers. The free Dawn doesn't include this, so you normally have to have another app or a paid app. So Dawn Pro includes a bundle builder directly in the theme, which means fewer things to set up, fewer monthly app costs, and smoother experience for customers itself. All right, so let's talk about the cart. The cart is another area where the difference shows up. In the Dawn free version, the cart shows what you added and gives you a checkout button. That's literally it. But in Dawn Pro, the cart can also help sell. It can suggest an extra item like upsell or cross-sell. It shows related products or gently reminded customers of something they might need without being pushy. One thing beginners don't always think about right away is apps. Apps are useful, but every app adds costs, setup time, and sometimes slows down your store. But because Dawn Pro includes more features by default, around 40 features just in itself, you usually need fewer apps. That makes the store easier to manage, especially if you're still learning how everything works. So which one is right for you? If you're literally brand new and you just want to get online quick, then the free Dawn is a great place to start. But if you already know what you want, like bundles, upsells, things like that, and a great converting cart, and more control over how your products are sold, then Dawn Pro can save you a lot of time and a lot of setup later on as well. So the advantage of Dawn Pro over normal Dawn isn't that it looks widely different. It's that it gives you more selling tools built in without making things harder, especially as your store grows.